Have you ever felt very tired after a hard day, but then someone noticed you, smiled, or said something kind? In moments like that, the world feels a little brighter. You might wonder, can something so small really help? Roy T. Bennett says, "Be the reason someone smiles. Be the reason someone feels loved and believes in the goodness in people." This means more than just making people happy. It's about helping someone feel hope again when they need it most. Think about times when you felt unsure or doubted that kindness could make a difference in a busy, stressful day. Maybe you asked yourself if your kindness matters, but small acts of care can spread. Even a quick smile in a busy hallway or stopping to listen can change someone's whole day. You might not see all the good you do, but kindness goes far. Sometimes just knowing someone cares can help a person believe in others again. If you have wondered how to add more meaning to your life, or how to help others without feeling tired yourself, keep watching. Soon, I will share 3 simple ways to bring light to others, and 3 positive thoughts you can say to yourself to keep this feeling strong. Take a moment and imagine this. How would your day change if you tried to make one person smile? What if your small act was the moment someone else needed to feel noticed, important, or hopeful? Here are 3 easy ways to begin. Say a real thank you or give a kind compliment, maybe to someone who serves your coffee, a coworker, or even someone online. Send a short message like, "I'm thinking of you," to someone who may be having a hard time. It doesn't have to be long, just honest. When you feel stressed, choose patience. Let someone go before you in line or listen carefully without interrupting. Small, quiet acts like these can mean a lot. Try saying these positive thoughts to yourself. I bring kindness and support to others. What I do helps others feel trust and hope. Every day I give people reasons to smile. Remember Roy T. Bennett's words, "Be the reason someone smiles. Be the reason someone feels loved and believes in the goodness in people." We can all be that reason for someone else. When we share small, kind acts, we make the world warmer. How will you make someone smile today? Share your story below. And if this message helped you, please share it so more people can feel the good it brings. Brought to you by Quote Temple and Munil XO. See you next time.